Hey, welcome back to another day, A Life of Chaos. That's a long going on. So we came over here today to see they're supposed to finished off the sheetrock, did the mud and stuff. So I'll walk in here and see what they got done. They in here now. That's part in the backyard. They're fixing up all the doors. I gotta get that wood, the baseboard. Then fix the cracks and stuff, straighten up some of them doors. Let's walk down here to this part. Yeah, still got to come do that vent right there. I need to put that ceiling on that pipe. See, and fix a lot of these holes. And I patched all that down there. I gotta pull them wires through. Okay. So it looked like they done did pretty much everything up here. So far, I done did pretty much everything. See, that thing was rotten. So I knew it was probably rotten. When that old window was there, that was rotten. They rotten that out. So when the framing guys, the first set of guys came, they ain't redo that. So they replaced the wood on the top. Yeah, that's been replaced. So that was just down in the inside of the wall. So pretty much you just take it out, all that's replaced, and just put some sheetrock right there. That was that board they had. You know, this part of the house ain't got no insulation. It just got this board that kind of go at an angle, and then sheetrock. So, see what they got down here.
Después como 3 años que se le había ido, supuestamente ya salió embarazada. Después de 3 años. No, pero después de 3 años ya salió embarazada de él. Y le quería sacar billete el pico.
Oh good. I can't redid that. Okay. Let's see all before this side wasn't done. So I got all this redone.
Pasaron 3 años y acabo buscando el pico después de 3 años. A la manera del pico, que le vamos a dar. Hay que esperar porque estaba pico.
I thought it was supposed to be right in this closet. Let's see if this one got a light. I guess, oh, he gotta put them in. Put the light here. Then you got a light in this one. Now it's going to head to the big room. So it's coming along, So. Make sure.
Esa puta pasada no esperaba el grande hoy.
They're moving right along.
Esa es la sala que le hicieron, no esperaba el grande. No, me grande. Yo creo que era como grande todavía y yo sé qué hacer. ¿Qué pasó grande? Le digo. Usted tiene que saber que no te vas a regalar.
Well, it should like a different place.
Me puto peón. Y yo creo que de ganar a ciegas a tirar uno, pero...
Good boys, coming along. I gotta get these baseboards and stuff. My trailer look like it's leaning. My tire ain't flat. It look a little low. But yeah, these guys, I gotta get these leaves up. I'm supposed to do this today, but I might come over here early tomorrow morning, get out here when it's cold and start getting these leaves up. It's a good thing they park back here or whatever. Oh, I gotta get. So the things I gotta get done outside. I gotta get the deck done. The AC guy got to come move this vent over, not in the center of the floor right there. I don't know why he put it there nowhere. That don't make no sense, but I should have got them to put me a cap around them outlets. But you gotta move that AC vent, take that one all the way off, put a door on this, build a deck. I gotta paint that door. I'm gonna try to stain that deck same colors close to this. I was gonna do it white, but I'm like, nah, white gonna show up everything. So try to do that, and then that's it on the outside. These trees gonna get cut real soon, so that's pretty much gonna be it on the outside. I need to get this whole limb cut. I need to get both of them cut. This one right here. So I'm gonna see how much I can get done when they come. Cause I was supposed to be in over here and cut this up, but they supposed to come tomorrow. I was supposed to be and cut this up, and I need to go down here to these apartments because 2 weeks ago they said, oh, we're gonna send the money to the people. Call the people that's coming to cut the tree. They ain't got the money yet. So they said I was gonna try to cut this up. That way, what the apartments was paying, I can get more done because I had already started cutting the front. And so I need this fence to be taken out. I need this one to be gone. Gotta get this car out of here. And then I just need to grind up these stumps. And you got like stumps right there. And then these big ones where I can't just run the lawnmower back here. I need something to kind of grind up these stumps. That way, I want to cut this dead son of a gun. It's dead as a doorknob. So I started cutting them vines when I started chopping on that. So a lot of them died down. So it's easy to snatch them down in the wintertime. So I'm gonna try to do is I might do this tomorrow. Get over here, snatch all these down some more, cut some over here. I need to get that out of there because I think. So just looking at this, that might be on their side, but they got all them vines growing on it. So I want to chop it down, and then from here on out, I just start spraying. This fence got to come down. Just start spraying weed killer. Then I need to all these stumps up here. I need to grind down. So all these stumps right here. Well, no, I ain't got to do all these. I just need to put some on there to kill them, so they won't start growing back like this. But you can kind of see where the line at. So it's a few. It ain't many. It's just a few. Cause I want to fence it in. That way, you know, just fence it in. Give you your own little space or whatever. But they supposed to cut some of these trees here. And so I'm gonna see if they'll get the big ones up out of here. See if they'll take. I'm gonna try to get them to take much as they can. That one in the front does, and them, and trim them limbs. See if I can get them to take much as they can. That way, I don't have to do a whole lot. Maybe run a stump grinder, grind them stumps up. The stump right there. They're knocking it on out. It won't be much longer now. Won't be much longer now. Yeah, they got this for they ain't using that. I ain't gonna put it there like. Yeah, I'm glad they replaced that wood. So everything looking good. It's looking good. It'll be ready for paint. I'm about to come in here and prep everything, tape stuff off. And then we get the paint done. So I just went to the apartments. I left them a message, but the lady said she was on vacation. So I told the guy was coming tomorrow to do the trees, and she said, I've been on vacation. Just direct him my way tomorrow, and she'll get it taken care of. So when they come tomorrow, I just come down here with them to the office, because I'm not gonna send them down here because they don't have nothing to do with, you know, the people in the apartment. They contract this through me. So, you know, I'm just not gonna say, oh, they go down to the apartment office and ask for such and such, and, you know, she'll take care of you. If I was out of town, I would say that, but, you know, I'm here, so it's more like I'll go over there, come down here with them, let them get paid, and then matter of fact, I got the paper here. I need to see kind of what's all on here. Let's see. He got trees to be trimmed. He got 4 trees to be cut down. He got 3. So I know, I'm trying to think what 3 it was. I guess he considered them that one in the back, the other one laying down, and then that dead one in the front. I guess them the 3 or whatever. And he got 4 trees to be trimmed. So I was supposed to get that other one cut up and get them gone. That way when it say trees to be cut, it wouldn't have been 3. It'd have been more like, you got that one, and I was gonna see if I can get them to cut another one for me. But I'm gonna see how much I can get them to cut. And kind of go from there.